Hello, it's SP from Better Podcasting. How's everybody doing today? As you can see right in front of me, I have the Zoom H8 handy recorder along with the Zoom BTA1 Bluetooth adapter. Just got them in the mail today. Now, you might be asking, SP, you got so much gear already. Why do you want this? Well, it's because it's got that podcast mode, and if I could use it in conjunction with my computer as a audio interface and be able to play bumps at the same time, that will mean on the road, I don't have to worry about a setup to include my sound pad, my iPad mini, which I've been using, or maybe I can do that with the Bluetooth adapter and just add the sounds afterwards. But the main problem I've been having is with the AT2005 or the Samsung Q2U or the Audio-Technica ATR 2100 is I can get that sound into the computer, but I can't get a sound pad into the computer. So hopefully this will help solve that issue. Don't really need the 12 channels of recording, but if I ever do a panel with 12 people, it'll be kind of nice, right? So let's get into it and see what's in the box really quick. And then I will be able to go over in the next couple of weeks and hopefully use it. All right. We have the included items. And what is this box? Zoom. Oh, wow. Different languages. Included items, and I hope this is English. One of these has to be in English. Yeah, I got a spec sheet, safety precautions. So it's a lot of paperwork. It definitely comes with batteries here and here. So it uses 4 AA batteries. And there it is. Wow, it is definitely bigger than the Zoom H6. I'll have to do a comparison between the two. But I like the expanded, or at least the flat LED screen, and I think it's color like the H6. It's got a couple of combo jacks in it, not all of them, obviously. And I do like the fact that it has 6 on the recorder versus the extra capsule that you put on top. So that's basically what comes in the box there, along with the capsule, the XY capsule. I think all of the Zoom handheld recorders come with XY capsules, and they're good for capturing music in like a bar or at a concert or something like that. If you wanted to, if you were a music reviewer and you wanted to hear music, stuff like that. Let's see, on the bottom, we have the 4 AA's, which I believe is the same as the H6. So basically, this is just a modernized and embiggened H6 upon looking at it. I know it's got a lot of extra stuff. You got the SD capsule. You got the, I believe this is the spot for the Bluetooth adapter right there, which is why I got it. And yeah, it'll be interesting seeing how this works. I didn't want to do a full review video right now. I'm actually on my way out packing, and so I wanted to unbox this and get the video out there and say I will be working on this over the course of the next couple of weeks. I'll get my review in and more detailed specifications. But if you have any questions about the Zoom H8, especially in a mobile environment, please let me know. I will be using it in said mobile environment. Thanks, guys. Talk to you later. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. If you want to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and do that, and click that notification bell if you want notifications of future videos. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.